Welcome to UDN'S Marketing Solutions. Today I'm going to talk about Slidebean. Slidebean is a great presentation platform that you can use for multiple purposes. Stay tuned till the rest of the video to find out how Slidebean works. Hi, today I am going to show you about Slidebean. Slidebean is basically a platform that you can create presentations, and Slidebean is great. I think better than PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to walk you through about how to use it. So I'm already signed into slidebean.com, and before logging in, it's going to look like this. If I go to slidebean.com, you will see a black screen like this, and then you need to sign up for free. They have some features that are great and some are just, I have a plan that is called Primer. So in that plan, I have all sorts of things that I can use. So let's go and start. Um, just letting you know that the link is in the description, so you can actually access it at the end, or even now when you are actually watching it, you can go to the description and just click on it and you will just follow along with me. So now I clicked on new presentation, and I have a choice of using a template or a blank presentation. I like to use templates, so I'm going to use here. Templates are faster. I don't have to spend so much time on that. And then I can just choose whichever color I want, whichever niche I want. So let's say just for this tutorial, I'm going to click on something that is called social media. This is something everybody likes, social media report. And this is something on the right side. You will see a template that is actually, I can scroll down to look at, or I can just go and preview it. And when I preview it, it's going to show like this. It's a high screen. I'm just scrolling down to see exactly what the pages look like, if that's what I want, if that's what I like. And then I am just basically going to use this template. And for this, just for the purpose of this presentation, I'm going to guide you how to actually use it. There are several templates out there in this platform, so you are not limited. I don't know about the free plan, but because I'm in a primer plan, I know more. So I basically have unlimited slides and unlimited choices. So let's say it's called social media report. We can say YouTube something to create it better, YouTube presentation. And then I have report coverage dates. I can just leave it as it is and just write 11/5/2019. And this is just for the first page. That's the heading. Then I go to, I can go to add content block. It's either I want to add a text, a quote, a number, a footer, or just a code snippet from podcast, or maybe from a video. Then I have a media photo, animated GIF, icon, videos, and audio. I have tables and charts. I can add line charts, area charts, pie charts, Venn diagram, funnel, timeline, donut charts, any content that I want. Then I will move to design. This is how it's going to look. Basically, I can change the fonts, I can change the palettes, and I can add animation, and then there are settings and notes. Then I can go to each slide and actually work on that. I just need to click on outline and then I can just modify as needed. This is great for any type of presentation you want. With the PowerPoint, it's a little bit different. I don't have those features in PowerPoint or even in Google Slides. This type of Slidebean presentation is fantastic for anyone, and I will share in my upcoming videos about how to use your Slidebean presentation and how you actually can look professional and really sell yourself with high ticket clients. So this is how it is. I did not change much because this is how I want to leave it. I just wanted to show you a short tutorial. And there is a feature here called Arrange with AI. So it's a bot, and it's basically going to arrange it the way it is that to my likings, just to make sure that it's aligned properly, it looks nice, it's presentable, and if I need to change again and again, I can still click change. And all changes are saved. I can also share it with others. There is a feature here called share. I can share it on social media. I can share it on the website. I can share it via link. I can add collaborations like we're doing on Google Drive. We can just add email, they get it, and then I have here a feature called get added, can view, and then I invite. I love this. It's really less, as you can see, it did not take me time to work on that. It's really quick. I can add more slides if I need to. And the link is in the description. You can sign up and let me know what exactly else you would be interested to learn more about apps or maybe softwares that I can share them on the video next time. So Google Slides has you have to have a Gmail account in order for you to use it. I already have a Gmail account. It's free. You can create one and then you can get access to it. So now I'm going to Google Slide and I'm going to click personal. I think with G Suite you have to pay. I'm not so sure about it. So let's go and start with Google Slides and see. So you have templates, you have a gallery template that you can choose from, or you can start a new one. So I like templates because they save time. And if I don't find the template that I'm looking for based on my presentation that I'm planning to do, then I will create a new one. So let's say you are in high school or you are a college student, you may want to create something simple that is not too graphic-y. And then you have here on the right side all types of colors, all types of fonts that you want to use and convert to, and then you can choose and do it. In order to add a slide, you just go to plus button, it's a new slide, and then you have other features here that shows that change the background, change the layout. You can add text, images, videos, add-ons. Add-ons are kind of like reminds me of WordPress that you have a plugin, and this is kind of like for Google add-ons. Then you have all sorts of tools. You have you can arrange the slides, you can format the slides, view it as a full screen or as animation. You can do undo, cut, copy, paste, like any other Microsoft product has that feature. And then you can share it, download it, make a copy of it, email as an attachment, and make it available offline. Some of these features don't have in Slidebean, and that's what it's beneficial to have a Google Slide. But Slidebean is meant for presentations that are high end. So if I go here, I may want to see something that is professional looking, that is not actually amateur looking, because this is something that I want to present for a conference, for a dinner, or if I'm a speaker, I want to show beautiful graphics in my slides. This is one of the advantages that I can have in Slidebean. I can also have on Google Slide, I can create animations. I can have speaker notes. That means that when I voice notes, I mean that when I talk, it's actually going to type. So if I go to a tool, then I go to voice type speaker, and if now that I'm gonna click to speak, and as I'm talking, it is actually going to, as I'm talking, it's actually going to type what I'm saying. So if you can see, this is what exactly it's saying and doing and writing. So this is the advantage of it, that you don't have to type very quickly. You have it already here, and that's the advantages that you have in Google Slide. It doesn't matter what slide you pick. It doesn't have to be student. It can be anything, and you can change the colors you want. But as you can see, it's not really that beautiful slides. They're very simple, and they're very like classic. They're not really creative colors, not as professional as I want it to be. So this is it. PowerPoint presentation, I am not using it so much because with a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, it's like any Microsoft product. When I create a document or when I create a slide, it is not, yes, it does have the same features that Google Slide has, but when I try to share it, the layouts and the animation are all going to be different. They're not going to be the same. And it's so frustrating to go on another computer that I am at, and I'm actually going to have to re-edit it so many times. Even when I upload it to Google Slides, the layouts, the animations still change. They're not the same. If I create a presentation slides from Google Slide, so the layout is the same because it is a cloud-based slides. It's not actually something that is from the software, and it's different, and it's not the same year that I have. It's different. So Google Slide has the features that is going to look the same way everywhere in any computer. Slide being the same way. I just need to have a internet access, log into it, and then press on my presentation, and I can just play it. And that's it. It's not really going to create anything crazy. So when I click on play, this is what it's going to look like. It's a full screen, and that's how I can just navigate it with my arrows here on my tabs. And that's it. This is a presentation that is for sales or for speaking, or even if you're a student, you can use the same way. So that's it for today. Let me know which platform you like best, Slidebean, Google Slide, or PowerPoint presentation. And let me know why you like it best and why you don't like other platforms. I would love to hear from you in the comments. So stay tuned for my next video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and like. And let me know in the comments what other videos you would like to see. And also, there are links in the description for you to just click and see whatever is mentioned on the video. The links are in the description. So feel free to click it and let me know how it works for you. Let me know the results of it and how you use it. I would be very happy to hear from you. See you later.